This is the bird. This is my husband, Tom.
Okay, just
That's
more
fire.
of that, less me.
I- Do you want me to help too?
One of the lighters just went out, so
Oh, sorry.
don't sorry. Just don't know what I can.
I can take one of the candles.
They're not all going to be lit by the time they go out because those are already finished.
It's okay, just keep going.
I'm hoping perhaps it's a good idea not to light many more. Maybe this way a little bit.
Sure.
It's getting very hot.
This is why we did not do this inside the office.
Probably very smart.
There goes the tail lighting more like dominoes like David thought they might.
Okay, we didn't think about the pouring wax.
Okay, there's cardboard right on the chair. I don't care about the table. And there goes the wax.
Well, they all got lit.
They all got lit now. Well, there's some on the very edge. Oh, nope, that did it. There goes the wind. Thank you, wind. Flaming Twitter bird.
Well, it's all over the table.
Awesome.
Now all over. Here. Yeah, it's a good idea y'all didn't do this inside.
Yeah. Or even in the parking lot.
Yeah, look, it's all...
This cake is no longer edible.
It's like cake flambe.
What if it tastes like creme brulee?
I'm betting not.
No. This is a lot of fiery fun. Oh, it's starting to burn stuff out.
Good.
I wonder what it's going to look like when it's all done.
Well, our table's never going to be the same. We're going to have to work on getting the stuff off the ground.
Probably. This is worth it. We've got this nice river of wax down here. I'll give you this side view so you can see just how, I have to step down the steps so you can see how high these flames are going. At least 2 or 3 feet. And somehow it found new fuel. All the wax on the cake is lighting. Does Kroger know how flammable their cakes are?
I didn't assume the cake would burn.
Well, maybe I should go get some water.
Yeah, I'll go do that just in case so it doesn't catch the...
How is that still burning? It's like an altar in front of our front door.
What?